Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and reset Direct Express app's password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So go ahead, open that particular app right there on your mobile phone. So once your app is open, what you're going to do is you will be able to find this kind of three options, right? So for the reset option, go ahead, tap on the sign in option given on above, enter the user ID that you have, and you will have your password, right? So if you want to reset your password, what you can do is simply go ahead, tap on this forgot password option, enter that particular user ID, you will verify yourself, tap on this continue option, and this will simply verify your ID. They will look it up. You can see it's just like a verification code has been sent. Your registered email address, it will be expired in 15 minutes. So go ahead, go to your particular inbox. You can see it's on myaol.com. Go ahead, you can go to your email inbox that you entered while creating your account, enter the code, tap on submit, and you will be able to reset your password right there in your Direct Express app over here. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.